Alam tau. Milan ada tu, Milan ni. Di dalam ah. Lepas tu rosak dia kereta tu. Dan kat bahagian depan tu yang yang running tu. Gearbox. Aku dah jam lah. Nak ceritakan yang rosak kan. Macam ni sikit.
Dia macam sepul-sepul lah. Dia bunyi panggilan lah depan.
Macam mana bunyi dia? Aku tak faham. Macam tu? Aku rasa lah, kalau ikut pengalaman aku kan, sepanjang aku pakai kereta, kalau ada problem macam ni, tiba-tiba lah kan, kau tengah tekan minyak sedap kan, tekan minyak kan, kau change gear, dia tersentak. Lepas tu kadang-kadang macam gear tak boleh nak masuk kan, macam ketat kan, dia tak nak in kata. Macam tu ada juga problem dia. Tapi masalah sekarang dalam spesifikasi problem kau ni, apa yang aku nampak lah, lebih kepada masalah kau punya ni gearbox. Lepas tu kalau masalah gearbox ni, biasanya kan kau kena check balik kau pernah rendah banjir tak sebelum ni. Sebab gearbox ni kalau macam kau rendah banjir, kereta kau rendah banjir dalam paras yang kereta kau tak nak survive, first thing kau kena check is minyak gearbox tu dah bercampur dengan air ke belum. So apa yang kau kena buat, kau hantar bengkel, kau suruh dia bersihkan balik gearbox kau, tambah minyak baru, tukar minyak lain. Itu confirm apa kata, masalah kau yang tengah hadap ni dah boleh settle lah orang kata.
Kau tahu tak mana bengkel yang
Bagi aku lah, Pomen yang ada pengalaman handle gearbox masuk air ni dekat Rawang lah. Dekat Rawang area KBJ. Itu sumpah baik. Kat Continental tu kan, kau tengok, ini masalah gearbox ni. Dia masalah dia, kau tengok ada bunyi macam tu lah. Itu bunyi mungkin timing belt. Timing belt ni senangnya sama ada dia ketat sangat, sebab tu dia keluarkan bunyi macam tu, ataupun pernah masuk air. Tu je lah.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, welcome back to our learning session. So, this is a gearbox that has been removed from the bonnet of a Kancil car. Oh no! As we can see, this gearbox looks dirty and has not been serviced for a long time. I guess we will start opening the gearbox casing first. Let's get started. So this is what the 5-speed manual gearbox looks like. There's a main gear, output shaft and also input shaft. Okay, so the first component, which is the main gear, has been removed. Main gear, which is a helical gear. There are 2 ball bearings on the front and back of this gear. Then we will see an old gearbox oil container is attached to the wall of this gearbox housing. And then the second component is removed, which is the input shaft. The type of gear found on the input shaft is 4 helical gears and 1 spur gear. Next, the third component is removed. The output shaft also has the same type of gear, namely helical and spur gear. The last component is the reverse ideal gear shaft, which only use spur gear. Finally, we will clean all the components and gearbox housing using a special chemical. So this is what it looks like after everything has been cleaned. The play gear, output shaft, input shaft and reverse gear looks amazing. And then we reconnect these components and test their performance movement. The crucial part is the oil used for the manual gearbox. The oil is EP90 and the GL5 flame has a relatively high extreme pressure protection and is the most suitable oil for gear use. We put a little oil on this gear so that the gear will not rust before reinstalling it into the engine system. The gear oil is flat throughout the gear holes. After being installed onto the car, apply sufficient amount of lubricant. Finally, gearbox is ready to be reassembled and ready for use.
About a 10, I should fuck her in the Benz.